Stuck in the mud. Yes. Gotta love it. What up, though? To my peanut gallery. This your boy Peanut, the people's nut. As you can see, I made it back home for my home time. I've been chilling, relaxing, glad to be off the road for a little bit, making videos, chopping stuff up, playing video games, a lot of video games. But in this video, man, we're gonna break down a reoccurring life lesson that everybody face, but many of us fail to learn. So stay tuned. I'll check you on the other side.
That tree there on this side.
Uh-huh.
See those rocks?
Yeah.
Just get in there somewhere and you can jack it around. Just,
To go back that way?
yeah, you're gonna have to. And where you headed?
Farmer, power farm tree.
Oh. It's in this road on the left.
Uh-huh.
And about 4 miles, you'll come to a little.
Those gentlemen up there didn't tell me. They made me honk my horn. They didn't even say anything to me. So I gotta get on the grass, actually on the grass.
Now it's sand. I mean, you'll sink a little, but it won't sink.
Okay, because it is.
Yeah, you just drift over into it, wait till you get close to those rocks.
And then try to.
Drift way over and then just jack the truck around. Twist it.
Okay.
It's the only way you get it because you can't back and pull. It ain't no rest.
See,
Thank
at this
you, sir.
point, this is where you trust but verify. I should have trusted what he was telling me because this is his neighborhood. He might know more than I know and not think that I know everything. But I should have verified the information that I knew as a truck driver. That's why I asked him what I asked him, but I didn't verify if that terrain would be safe enough for me to travel on. But stay tuned.
Because that's what definitely was not going to make it across this bridge.
That was another instance where I failed to verify. I trusted my GPS to take me to the location without verifying the route so I wouldn't run into issues like that. Trust, but always verify. Only option I had was to call a wrecker and just enjoy the scenery and take it all in while I wait.
Let's go.
We're witnessing the butterfly effect, where something you do or fail to do in your past affects your future. That one mistake I made as far as not checking my route before I took my journey led me to deal with that man, to then not also verifying what he told me, to getting me stuck, to almost getting the wrecker stuck. So now we're witnessing compound interest and the negative effect from when adding up to the things that you don't do at the start can affect you in the finish.
Still not enough. Got it.
In this game called life, there's always going to be problems and there's always going to be lessons. What makes you different as a player is how you handle those lessons and how you handle those problems.
look.
Two important lessons I hope you guys learn from this is trust, but always verify. It's okay to trust people, but always verify the information that they gave you against your own knowledge. Never just take anyone's word blindly, especially as men. We can't afford that. Or in this today's age with all these fake internet gurus and everybody faking it, all that other stuff. So trust, but always verify. Two, when you're in stressful situations, man, the best thing to do is just chill, because you can't really think straight when you're like all bugged out and your mind is like confused. So take some time, meditate, sit on the rock, do whatever you need to do, because worrying about it, stressing out about it is not going to solve the problem. And the main thing is to always look for solutions.
Need to reroute that. If it's beef, then take it out back. Edgar Allan Poe and all up, bitch, we bow that. Put in your order, I pull up in order. Try me, you're dying, that's under my order. Complete disorder, this shit is torture. Electrical tape.